Hey guys, welcome back to Rider Review RR. So today we are talking about something a little different from the usual bikes I cover on this channel, the 2026 BMW CE02. And I have got to say right off the bat, this is genuinely one of the most interesting two-wheelers BMW has ever built. Starting at $75.99 MSRP for the base model and $84.74 for the Highline spec, this is BMW's fully electric urban machine. And they are not calling it a scooter or a motorcycle. BMW literally created a new category for this thing and called it an eParkourer. I know that sounds like marketing speak, but once you understand what this bike is actually designed to do, it actually makes sense. So let me break down what you are actually getting here. The CE02 runs a fully electric synchronous motor producing 11 kilowatts of continuous power, which translates to about 15 horsepower. The peak output hits higher in bursts and you get 40.6 foot-pounds of torque available instantly the moment you roll the throttle. Which is the thing about electric motors, that torque hits immediately with no lag whatsoever. The top speed is capped at 59 miles per hour and the real-world range sits around 56 miles on a full charge. Two 1.96 kilowatt-hour battery packs live under the seat, and you charge them through a standard household outlet with the included charger that gets you from 0 to 80% in under 4 hours. The Highline package upgrades you to a faster 1.2 kilowatt charger that cuts that time down further. The riding modes are where things get interesting. You get flow mode for smooth cruising with maximum regenerative braking, and surf mode for a sharper throttle response when you want to feel more connected. The Highline package adds flash mode, which is the most aggressive and spirited setting. There is also a power-saving mode that drops output to 4 kilowatts to stretch your range when you need it. The chassis is built around a double-loop tubular steel frame, with telescopic forks up front and a single-sided swing arm at the back. And it rolls on 14-inch cast aluminum wheels that give it this really distinctive futuristic look. The seat height is only 29.5 inches, which makes it incredibly accessible. Look, the CE02 is not for the rider who wants canyon carving or highway cruising. This is a city machine, plain and simple, but for American urban commuters who are tired of traffic, gas prices and parking headaches, this thing makes a genuinely compelling case. It is compact, it is cool looking, and it is backed by BMW's build quality and dealer network. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, subscribe to Rider Review RR, and catch you in the next one. Ride safe out there.